Every month, we here at Craft Gin Club curate a box filled with goodies to land on your doorstep. The box is filled with sweet snacks, savory snacks, tonics, mixers, cocktail syrup, garnishes, a magazine, and a full-size bottle of craft gin. Each box is carefully curated around a theme, and this month's box will transport you to the shores of India. We'll start with our September 2020 Gin of the Month. Stranger & Sons Gin. Ooh. Distilled in Goa, India, Stranger & Sons Gin has botanicals of juniper, Indian black pepper, and a mix of citrus peels. Backed by popular demand, our cocktail of the month is a Gina Colada, made with our Gina Colada cocktail syrup. Also part of our cocktail of the month is Martin Frobisher's pineapple juice. This month's Perfect G&T features the London Essence Company Bitter Orange and Elderflower Tonic Water. Garnish your Perfect G&T with our lemon and green peppercorn garnish. This month you also get a bottle of Campari to make your perfect Negroni. You'll also receive Taylor's of Harrogate coffee bags in hot Java Lava and rich Italian. It's a tea bag for your coffee, a coffee bag. The first of two savory snacks in this month's box is Mr. Singh's Spicy Tandoori Chicken Chili Crisps. Ooh, that smells like a delicious dinner. You'll also find the snack that gives back, Howda Onion Bhaji. With every bag sold, Howda provides a free school lunch to a child in need. And just when we thought this box couldn't get any better, you'll also receive Tony's Chocolonely Milk Caramel Sea Salt Chocolate. You're gonna love this. You'll also receive Craft Gin Club's guide to Queensland, Australia. And last but certainly not least, you'll receive a copy of our Ginned magazine. Cheers!